Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to the class. Today we are learning about nouns. Okay, children, we are learning about nouns. What is a noun? What is a noun? So, name of a person, place, or a thing. So, any naming word, name of a person, a place, or a thing is called a noun. What is a noun, children? Name of a person, place, or a thing is called as a noun. In other words, we can say noun is a naming word. What we call it as? Noun is a naming word. Okay? What is a noun? Name of a person, place, or a thing is called as a noun. Any naming word, we call it as a noun. For example, Sita, noun. Thing, auto, noun. These all are what? Naming words. So we call it as a noun. So these nouns we can change singular into plural nouns. We have singular means what? Only single. For changing singular words into plural words, we have 10 rules. To change these words from singular to plural, we are having 10 rules. We'll see now the rules how to change singular to plural nouns. We'll see now the first rule. See, the first rule to change singular nouns to plural nouns by adding s. By adding yes. These all are singular nouns. See, I am reading loud. These all are singular nouns. I, bee, tree, cow, ear, rose, shop, house. So for this, what is the first rule? We have to add s. Okay? We have to add s to these words. I, eyes, bee, bees, tree, trees, cow, cows, ear, ears, rose, roses, shop, shops, house, houses. See, children, I, eyes, bee, bees, tree, trees, cow, cows, ear, ears, rose, roses, shop, shops, house, houses. Okay, this is the first rule for changing singular nouns to plural nouns. These all are singular nouns. What are these? Singular. What are these? Plural. Okay, what are these? Plural. What are these? Singular. What are these? Plural. Okay. Shall I go to second rule, children? Yes. I hope you understood the first rule by adding yes to the words. Okay. We'll see the second rule. See the second rule, children. Nouns ending in yes SS, X, SH or CH. C. Yes, gas. SS, ASS. X, box. SH, dish. CH, watch. Bench, bunch, church. So these are the nouns ending. What we have to do for this? If we add es to these words, it will change into plural forms. Okay? If we add es to these forms, it will change into plural forms. These all are singular words. If you are having ss, yes, x, sh or ch, we will add es to the words. Then singular words will change into plural forms. How these will change, we'll see. See, as. What we have to add? Yes. Yes. Add es. Asses. Gas. Gas. Add es. Gases. Box. 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 Add es. Boxes. Dish. Dish. Add es. Dishes. Brush. Add es. BRUSHES. Brushes. Watch. Add es. WATCHES. Watches. Add es. Benches. 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 Bunch. Bunch means what? Bunch of keys. BUNCHES. Bunches. Bunch of keys. Church. CHRUCH. What we have to add? ES. These all are singular. These all are plural. These are singular. These are plural. Okay? The words ending with S, SS, X, SH, CH. What we have to do for making the words plural form? We have to add ES. See, as, asses, gas, gases, box, boxes, dish, dishes, brush, brushes, watch, watches, bench, benches, bunch, bunches, church, churches. Okay? These all are the words of the second rule. We have to add es for making these words into plural form. Hope you have understood the second rule. Okay children, we'll go to third rule. See the third rule children. Nouns ends in a consonant plus y. Consonant plus y. What are consonants? What are vowels? From A to Z, what are consonants? What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are what? Vowels. Except these, all are consonants. Only A, E, I, O, U in alphabets A to Z, except A, E, I, O, U, all others are consonant. B is a consonant, C is a consonant, D is a consonant, E is vowel. F is a consonant, G is a consonant, H is a consonant, I is vowel. Okay, like that. In A to Z alphabets except vowels all are consonants. So nouns ends in a consonant plus Y. So see the words F-L-Y. L. L is a consonant plus Y. So Y also is there. L, Y. See, city. T is a consonant and Y. Lady. D is a consonant plus Y. Duty. T is a consonant plus Y. Baby. B is a consonant plus Y. Pony. N is a consonant plus Y. Reply. L is a consonant plus Y. Army. M is a consonant plus Y. Family. L is a consonant plus Y. Country. R is a consonant plus Y. What we have to do for this? We have to add IES. What we have to do? We have to add for this IES and we have to remove Y. We have to remove Y. And to change into plural form, we have to remove Y and add IES. Okay? We have to add IES. See now. Fly. What we have to do? F-L-I-E-S. Remove Y. What we have to do? We have to remove Y. What we have written here? Flies. So again remove Y. What we have to write here? C-I-T-I-E-S. Cities. Remove Y. Ladies. L-A-D-I-E-S. Remove Y. Duties. D-U-T-I-E-S. Remove Y. Babies. B-A-B-I-E-S. Ponies. Remove Y. P-O-N-I-E-S. Remove Y. Replies. R-E-P-L-I-E-S. Remove Y. Armies. A-R-M-I-E-S. Remove Y. Families. F-A-M-I-L-I-E-S. Remove Y. Countries. C-O-U-N-T-R-I-E-S. So this is the third rule of nouns. What we have to do? If the noun ends with consonant plus Y, we have to remove Y and add IES to get the plural form. Okay children? Hope you have understood well. We will go to the fourth. Coming to the fourth rule, the nouns ending with vowels plus Y. Before we have learned consonants plus Y. And now ending vowels plus Y. I told you know what are vowels? What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So the nouns ending with vowels plus Y, we have to add only yes. No need to remove Y. No need to remove Y. Children, no need to remove Y. But for consonant, we have removed Y and added IES. But for vowels, we no need to remove Y. If we simply add S, we can change into plural form. Ray. See here. Race. Add S. Toy. Toys. Day. Days. Key. Keys. Boy. Add yes. Way. Ways. Essay. Essays. Monkey. Monkeys. So for vowels, no need to remove Y. If we add S, that is enough to the words. See once again, Ray, race. Toy, toys. Day, days. Key, keys. What we have done here? We have added only yes. We did not remove y. Okay, children? Hope you have understood the fourth rule. Coming to the fifth rule, if the nouns are ending with f or fe, their form itself change into plural. So, they itself change into plural form, and there we have to change into ves. Okay? Then f changes into ves. See, f or fe changes into ves. See, life. F. It changes into ves. How we can write here? Lives. Lives. What it has been changed here? Ves. Wife. Wives. wives. Calf. Calves. Leaf. Leaves. Half. Halves. Wolf. Wolves. Knife. Thief. So there will be no fe. It will be changed into ves. Okay. See, life fe changed into ves. Wife fe changed into ves. Calf changed into ves. See the fifth rule, children. Nouns ending in f or fe will be changed into plural form, that is ves. Life, lives. Wife, wives. Calf, calves. Leaf, leaves. Half, halves. Wolf, wolves. Knife, knives. Thief, thieves. Okay, children? Hope you understood these 5 sessions, and we'll go to the next session. See the sixth rule, children. Nouns ending in a consonant plus o. Consonants you know, no? Except the vowels, all other alphabets are consonants in a English alphabets. Except vowels a, e, I, o, u, all other words are consonants. So for this, you have to add es to make the words plural form. To make these words plural form, you have to add es. See the words, children, first. Hero. Hero, H-E-R-O. Here the consonant is R. Consonant plus O. O. What we have to do? You have to add es to this word. What it will become? H-E-R-O-E-S. Heroes. Okay? Next. Negro. R. Consonant plus O. You have to add es. N-E-G-R-O-S. Negroes. Okay? Potato. T. Consonant plus O. P-O-T-A-T-O. For plural form, es. You have to add es for plural form. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. G is what? Consonant. O plus O. M-A-N-G-O. For plural form, yes. Mangoes. Plural form. Buffalo. B-U-L. Consonant. O plus O. B-U-F-F B-A-L-O-E-S for plural form. Buffaloes. Tomato. T consonant plus O. T-O-M-A-T-O for plural form. E-S. Tomatoes. Volcano. N consonant plus O. V-O-L-C-A-N-O-E-S. Volcanoes. Mosquito. T consonant plus O. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O-E-S. Mosquitoes for plural form. Okay children, note it down these all carefully. Hope you have understood this session, and remaining rules I'll say you in the next session. Take care, be safe. Bye all of you.